creating a life-size language board. We start by creating our language board in a program such as Word. We then take a screenshot of our language board to select it as an image. Once we have that screenshot, we copy it into Excel. And we can adjust our visibility so we can see roughly where we are within the document. And we want to set our page. And we generally use really narrow margins to get the most out of our printing paper. Okay. And we can see the blue dotted line showing our page layout. So we want to adjust our page layout, our orientation. And then we generally tend to stretch it. And we know that our poster board that is typically 22 by 28 spans approximately 2 and a bit pages wide by just shy of 2 pages in height. And we can adjust this based on our poster and our orientation. And then we can also set our print area. So we can choose to print. We can scale to fit it. So we know that it is approximately 3 pages wide by 2 pages tall. So that would go over 6 pages. We also want to make sure that we're just doing active sheets. Another tip is that we could highlight around our document and set our print area so that we make sure that just that part is going to be printed. So those are some different tips to make sure that we can print one image across multiple pages for when we're making posters.